decent chocolate. Came back, let it sit for a while because conditions weren't ideal. They've been cleaning up the stuff we put out there for them. I got a good black one and a good chocolate one. They're hitting this bait, and hopefully one of the two will show up tonight. Back in a little while with some live action footage for you. See ya. That's how we roll in OCD land. Back again for a second, what Nick would call B-roll, and we had an encounter, and it was the big black instead of the chocolate, and he came in the first time. He worked his way all the way in, and I know he wasn't picking up my wind, but he'd sit over there and popped his teeth non-stop. I mean, just sound like a damn woodpecker, according to Nick, because I said, that's a bear. And of course, Nick told me with all his infinite wisdom of 2 days worth of bear hunting that it was a woodpecker. And then lo and behold, what was it? Maybe less than a minute?
About a minute.
About a minute. All of a sudden, I'm still looking that way. Bump, I see a black VW bug coming in. And he got right up to here. And of course, my little homemade wind indicator right down here, it was telling me that the wind was cutting in that direction and he was coming in. But he got in, and he just didn't, something he was nervous about, and he circled back around and left. He done a little more chuckling, and then he cut up the ridge, and he went straight up the ridge, and he got up probably, I don't know, 70, 80 yards up on top of the hill there, and then he cut right straight down. Of course, we got footage of that. He come right down in and committed, and I reviewed the footage on my camera and Nick's both, and I know he was angled a little bit, but it was a little far back, and I mean, not hearing a death moan or anything like that, I'm really reluctant to push him too far tonight, because I know I got a good hole in him. I know I do. I know I got to pass through, and I know there's a ton of blood on that arrow over there. I can see it with my naked eye from here. And I think we're going to go down, and actually we're going to call Kev, get him to get in here, and we're going to walk out. So far, we're not going to have him drive back in here, but we're going to check out that arrow and see how much blood's really on the ground, and then we'll be back for either a recovery, depending on the amount we find, or we'll be in here for recovery first thing in the morning. He's a good bear. I'm happy with him. I put the camera up, what, 3 days ago on this bait after I hunted it and seen a good chocolate. Got pictures of the chocolate and of this, and had it on little 15-second video clips, and we sit and watched it last night after Kev had come in here and pulled the cards and changed them out. And he's a good one. He was definitely the one that I wanted to shoot, but I wouldn't have passed up that big chocolate, but I'm glad it was the black, as that chocolate will be bigger next year. Alright, we're out at the tree, and there's our setup right there. Come on down here, Nick. There's my setup that me and Jesse burrow our way up that pine tree, and got this little cut right here, and right over here's the sign. We made contact. That is a blood-laden arrow, man. Look at that. Picture taken. We're here at 21 Bear in Manitoba, Canada. Got a good group of guys this year, all archery hunters, and everyone's tagged out in 5 days. Some of us just take a little longer than others, but this is the typical scenario up here. Lots of bears, good age structure, good people, good food, good company. I was fortunate enough to get some intel on this little bugger right here. Kind of picked him over a decent chocolate that was in there, and actually the best thing that happened was he showed up before the chocolate did, and he got the rage injection. But had Nick behind the camera doing some camera work for me, and anyway, I thank Steve and Kevin, everybody here at the camp for doing exactly what they always do, which is just showing us a great time. Get to visit with old friends, and can't wait till next year. Can't believe it's already over. I think I'm gonna go fishing now. Might go catch me a minnow or two, and have Nick see if he can make sure I don't lose my favorite lure, you know. But this year's 2017 here in Manitoba. We got Brian Sr., Brian Jr., Nick, Alex, Jesse, myself, and We're just tearing it up. We got 6 bears in 5 days. Doesn't get any better than that. See ya.